guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. This video is going to be a little different today. Today is about some of the DIYs that I've done. I just realized I've done over 200 videos. This one is to share with you some of the DIYs that I've done because I've had the question several times. I've been asked, how is it that I do my projects without using E6000 or other stronger glue? And as my glue sticks, the glue that I use, which is glue sticks, sometimes I use Gorilla Glue. I love the Gorilla Glue. Or I use my Walmart or my Michaels glue sticks. Now, for me, I love it because it works and I don't think that I have to switch. Now, if it's something that I'm going to make to give away to a friend or I'm going to give to a family, you know, then I will, of course, make it a little bit stronger. But for things that are in my home, I have no problem at all with them just using the glue sticks because I do use really good glue sticks that does last. With all of that said, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time to my channel, I truly appreciate the fact that you've chosen to watch this video. Hope you'll like some of the DIYs that I've done and go back and check them out. The other videos, and let me know if you like them. Give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. So I don't know where to start. I will start with the oldest of the whole pack. Let's start there. So when I first started YouTube, and that was gosh, that was 9 months ago I started. When I started, this was one of the first projects that I created. I loved it. It was basically a Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree wreath. And I took a mirror and glue it onto the back and then used the big Dollar Tree stones and glued them together to create this mirror. And it has been in my guest bathroom for all this time. Love, love, love it. That's one of my favorites because that's when I first started. Loved it. Now, this is another oldie but goodie. Let's get this situated here so I don't knock and break everything. Okay, so this is another mirror wall, rustic wall decor that I created. And basically it's the Dollar Tree mirror. Use the rope, diamond wrap, and one of the Dollar Tree candle holders, glued it together and create this. And this has been in the hallway of my, towards my guest bathroom because back there it's just a hallway. I'm not big on rustic, but this have a little glam because of the diamond wrap. So this is all, I want to share that this is all glue sticks. So, and I want to say this is also about, Catherine is in the picture. This is all about 9 months ago or give or take a few months. And it's still intact. It's been on the wall, so it's been great. Another oldie is this one. I actually just redid this upcycle. So there's two versions of these, of the upcycle. So you can check that out as well. And this is just the hoops from the embroidery hoops from, I believe I called this from Joann's Fabric. So you can check that one out as well. Then this is also a upcycle. And I must tell you, I did it in black before, and then when I upcycled it, I changed it to purple. I absolutely love this project. And all this is a cookie cutter trimmed with diamond wrap, a Dollar Tree bowl, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And it's a Z Gallery makeover that I did. Let's see if I can hold them. The 3-piece from Z Gallery. You can check that video out. I really love the way these turned out. So basically, I just want to share with you guys that the glue does work. For example, this is a project that I just loved. I truly loved it. This is just glue right there. This is the beads from the Dollar Tree that I melted in the oven and created this design with a cookie cutter. And this is cardboard sprayed. I loved this project. It didn't do very well, but I love it. It was very simple, and I think it's gorgeous. But it's also just glue as well. It's glue sticks. This is one of my favorite projects. I love this. It wasn't very popular with you guys because it's different. And all that is foil, diamond wrap, and the cardboard. I had it up in my house for a very long time because I truly loved it. And I just thought it was different. It was an inspiration from the Florida magazine, the Home Decor Florida magazine. It was my version of what I saw. This is the best, absolute best DIY I believe I've ever done. I absolutely love this project, and all it is cardboard, glue sticks, and some stones in here. I forgot to mention also that spray paint, silver, gold, and rose gold. Love this project. Absolute best project I've ever done. With that said, I think this is my second runner-up. Let's take this out of here, this little pick. This is my other project that I absolutely love, and this is, how do I put this? I recreated this. This is an upcycle. I did this from the Z Gallery inspiration, and then I wanted to make it over, so I did. And this is the actual beer glass from the Dollar Tree. And I first created that concept, that idea from the plastic cups from the Dollar Tree. And then I went back and redid it with the glass. Love. I think I will keep this forever. But I am so impressed with the stones. They are just really, I did not put any glue on it. The adhesive that it comes with is still holding really well. And this is about 2 or 3 months now. So that's wonderful. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a oldie. You guys will remember this project. This is about 7 or 8 months old. This project I did, and I've had it for a while. I took 2 of the planters, turned it upside down, and created this lamp. I love this rustic glam lamp. So, let's wrap it up with our newer items. This is one of my favorite as well. It has a lot of details on it, but it is beautiful. There's 2 of them. So that's the recent Dollar Tree candle holders that they have. So let's put that here. Many of you loved this project. All it is a little dish glued on top of the Dollar Tree vase, or what are these things called? I guess you put flowers in them. So I created a candle holder out of it. I hope you guys will check out these videos. They're pretty cool. Very inexpensive, but beautiful. And this tray is made out of cardboard, a mirror, and some beads. And this is about 2 months or about a month old, and it's still doing well. I have it actually in my living room. And so I'm very impressed with the cardboard that it's still, I didn't even spray painted it because it was going to be on the bottom and no one really was going to see it, but it's really doing well still. So guys, that is it for some of my projects that I've created over the last few months, and they are doing well. For those of you that have the question about how does the glue hold up, you know, because that's what I use majority of the time for my project. I think that's all I've ever used, and I wanted to share with you guys that they are doing really well. I'm not just creating things just to create them. If I don't believe in it, I will not share it with you guys. If it doesn't work, I won't share it, because I definitely strive to have integrity and to be able to be a blessing to you guys, and that whatever I share with you, that you can recreate it and be comfortable and confident that they will last in your home. So I thank you so much, so very much, for subscribing to my channel, for being a part of our family, and I hope that you will continue to share the videos and share your thoughts with me. And I can't say thank you enough, and help me reach the goal of 10,000 before the end of this month. Alright guys, I truly appreciate your time and your support, and I will see you on my next DIY.